Hello guys, welcome back to the return of subscribers, and if you're new, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit that bell notification option to stay updated on all my new uploads too. So today we have got this Alfawise RST2056 Sonic Power Toothbrush. It retails under £15, that's around 19 in US dollars. Delving inside the box, we have one user guide and setup manual, one charger stand with EU plug, 3 brush heads. More can be bought if need be from Gearbest. All links will be supplied in the video description down below. And finally, the main Sonic toothbrush body, which looks modern in the gloss white finish and chrome edge detail. This toothbrush is made of ABS plastic. It has a 650 mAh lithium ion battery, which usually takes less than 24 hours to charge. That charge will then give you 15 days of regular use. Charging is simply done by inserting it onto the base, which in turn will indicate charging and full charge via the LED lights to the front. Staying with the front, we have the power button, mode selection button, which consists of clean, soft, whiten and massage modes. Looking at the toothbrush head, it's made from DuPont's nylon bristles. It's easily fitted to the toothbrush body by simply aligning the brush head straight and pressing down. So yeah, no twisting.
Hey, I said no twisting. While you're at it, get the fag out your mouth.
This Alfawise Sonic toothbrush is ideal for adults and even kids. It has a 2-minute timer with a 30-second interval reminder, which basically stops for a very short time and then continues to help spend time on the 4 sections of your teeth. So yeah, 30 seconds per section. This Sonic toothbrush also produces 40,000 brush strokes per minute. It's good for sensitive teeth, polishing, whitening, and with the massage mode, it pulsates for gentle gum stimulation. Now, I was generously gifted this Sonic toothbrush today from Gearbest.com. And since then my son's been using it. It's been great for him as he now keeps the morning and night cleaning. And in turn, I bought myself another one. So yeah, I've been using one for over a week now. And let me just tell you guys, I've reviewed a few Alfawise products in the past, like this keyboard and Android TV box. And with this toothbrush, Alfawise are still fantastic with the design and durability of their products. I certainly recommend it, and if I was to rate this out of a rating out of 10, then honestly, I think I've got to give this product today, and for the first time on my channel, this gadget gets a big 10 out of 10. So yeah, my first 10 out of 10 on any products on my channel. I would definitely leave a link for this Alfawise Sonic toothbrush within the video description down below. Go get yours right now. And as usual guys, please share this video wherever possible. Smash the like button. Go ahead and subscribe, making sure you hit the bell notification option so you'll be first to see my new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys over on my next video. Peace!